Did you know that the sun's ultraviolet rays not only damage your skin, but also your roof? This might just result in costly repairs. In this video, we'll discuss effective methods to safeguard your roof from the sun's harmful rays and maximize its lifespan. Commit to regular maintenance. It's good to maintain your roof to keep it free of debris, but be sure to schedule annual professional inspections to identify potential issues and extend the life of your roof. Embrace energy-efficient solutions. To reduce cooling expenses and increase your home's comfort level, consider applying a cool roof coating and installing solar screens on windows and doors. Harness the power of nature. Planting trees around your home can help reduce cooling costs by providing shade, acting as a wind barrier, and protecting your roof from direct sunlight. To extend the life of your roof and prevent costly repairs, protect it from excessive sun exposure by scheduling regular professional inspections, using UV-resistant coatings, and planting trees or shrubs to provide added shade. By implementing these steps, you can keep your roof in optimal condition for many years.